Hi, this is a Coupon Creator Pro video. In this video, I'm going to go over the print-only content feature. I'm going to scroll down here to show you the features. It's going to be all the way down at the bottom. You got this print-only box, and it's a visual editor. You can add media, like I've added this picture of apples, and you can switch between the visual and text editor, and you can style the text you want. So what this does is this content will display when actually printing the coupon. It doesn't display it before that. Quick note though about this, it is public content, so it's not hidden, it's not encrypted or anything like that. It's going to be in the source code, so it could be found. So make sure you make it that it can be publicly accessible. Don't put something in there that you don't want to be publicly accessible and made publicly accessible. It's going to hide it from most people, but if someone's clever enough, they'll find it. Okay, great. So we got the feature there. So if you come here, you'll see there's no print-only content. You don't see the apple or that text. And then if I come here to the print view and I click to print, you can see in the preview, there it is. Print-only content, can't include images. All right, great. Also in the multi-print feature, we have this. So I have this coupon here and this coupon here. Now if I click print, you can see under this coupon again, I've got the apples and the print-only images. So there you go. There's print-only content, and use that to help get people to print more coupons for you.